Hi everyone, in front of me I've got OnePlus 15R and let me share with you how to change the keyboard language on this device. So let's start with opening the app which will provide you with the keyboard. So for example, messages, notes, browser, settings, whatever. Just have the keyboard on the screen. And now we have to take a look at this option bar right here, And let's tap on this settings icon. Then go to languages and tap on add keyboard. So here we've been transferred to the full list of available keyboards from which we can choose. So basically all you have to do is to find yours and then tap on it. I'll pick this one, or maybe not really, because I'd like to show you something which is more graphical, so you will be able to check the difference. So here, after tapping on the language, you will be able to choose the keyboard layout, and sometimes you will have only one keyboard layout to choose from, sometimes even up to 7 different keyboard layouts. Basically, it depends on the specific language. So just mark the option and then tap on done, and as you can see, our language has been immediately applied to the list. However, before I'll show you how to remove the language from this list here, I'd like to show you how to use the keyboard with 2 or more languages added. Of course, after getting back to the keyboard, we've got this information, the hint. Here we've got an additional icon, the keyboard icon, thanks to which we can change the keyboard language. So this is how it works. Unfortunately, we have to tap on it and tap directly on the keyboard we would like to apply. However, as you can see right now, we've got our new keyboard, and after tapping on this one, we can set the English one. So in order to remove the language from the keyboards, simply open the settings again, go to languages and tap on edit. Then mark the language that you'd like to remove and tap on this remove icon in the right upper corner. And as you can see, we've got only one language applied. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.